also use can and can't to show something that's possible for us. When I use the word possible, I mean something that we're able to do in this situation. So because I live in Singapore, it's possible for me to swim every day of the year. I can swim every day of the year outside. In America, I can't swim outside every day because in America it gets very, very cold in the winter. So I can't do that. But here in Singapore, I can swim every day. I can also take the MRT to work. In America, I don't have an MRT in my city. I only can take the bus or I can drive a car to work. I can't take the MRT, but Singapore, I can take the MRT to work. Marina Bay. Oh yeah, Marina Bay. I can see Marina Bay from our school. If you come to Singapore and if you come to ULC, you can see Marina Bay from our school. It's pretty cool. And okay, last one. I can't buy alcohol after 10:30 p.m. This is a Singapore rule. I can't buy alcohol after 10:30. It's not possible for me. So think about your life, think about your country. What's possible? What can you do? What's impossible? What are you not able to do in your country?